Alright, Frankie, here's your 30-second scale JADA HP Patrol Chevy Impala, Honolulu Police Department. Front doors do still open on this. The hood never did. The trunk lid I have fixed in the closed position to enable room for the larger battery in this to run the lighting that you want to install. Excuse me. The interior remained the same. I didn't do any modifications as far as cutting away any of the interior on this. Now this one is set up similar to most of my 30-second scale cars for my subscribers that you've seen. Headlight strobes, taillight strobes, and a light bar. Also added, you wanted a interior work light added, so I did that, and then also two rear deck strobes I added for you too. On the bottom, there are two switches. This is the main power switch. This is the one you want to use when you want to turn everything off. Keep the battery from running down. Which way they have this wired, you'll have to turn it off anyway because the lights will still flash. Then on the back, the button to choose the patterns or turn off the headlights, tail lights, and the light bar on the roof. The rear deck strobes are only operated by this switch. So let's turn it on, and I'll show you what happens when you first turn everything on. Of course, you can see your interior work light on the laptop there, data terminal. Excuse me. Your headlight strobes, and you'll see those go through some of the same patterns of a lot of my smaller cars. Headlight strobes. There's your rooftop light bar, blue strobes. Flipping on around here to the rear. Hit tail light strobes. And then also your rear deck strobes. Now I mentioned the button on the bottom. I'll press this once. Now lock in one of the patterns. Again, the patterns that affect the tail lights, light bar, and the rooftop. So let's turn it this way so the rear strobes don't mess us up. It's like a single flash wig-wag. And then there's a simultaneous flash. Again, you've seen my cars in person, so you know that the patterns are consistent and smooth versus jumpy the way they look on my camera because it fails to detect a lot of the strobes. And then this is a double flash wig-wag. Really picks up the blue a lot better. You can see the light bar flashing twice on each side. Like I said, the whites kind of freak it out. And then the red as well. And you press it one more time. It's going to turn those off. So that leaves just your blue strobes on the rear deck and the interior light. So everything else is off. So you can just leave the blue strobes on. Of course, you hit this button again, it's going to kick everything back into automatic pattern mode. And again, to turn everything off, just turn the main switch off. Or if you want to turn that on, hit this 4 times. And that just leaves everything else off except for your rear deck and then, like I said, your interior work light. You can see there. So there you have it. Let's kick it back on. You go to double strobes. I appreciate it, the order, and like I said, I've got the other ones be working on them very soon for you and get them out for you. Thank you so much.